Ready to cut those Solana gas fees down to size? Let's dive into some tips. First up, use a fee payer wallet. This nifty tool can sponsor gas fees for you, allowing for gasless transactions. Sweet, right? Next, try setting a higher compute unit price. It gives your transactions priority, speeding up confirmation times. Who doesn't love fast transactions? Also, take advantage of Solana's architecture. Its design keeps transaction costs low, making it a top choice for users and developers. And here's a pro tip. Solana's gas fee mechanism is similar to Ethereum's EIP 1559. You can specify a priority fee to incentivize validators to include your transaction in a block. Lastly, Solana keeps fees low by burning a fixed proportion of each transaction fee and distributing the rest to the leader processing the transaction. There you have it. Save on Solana gas fees and keep more in your wallet.